Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Most Jamaicans I know would love a bite of the Big Apple. And you know what I'm talking about when I say the Big Apple? America. So as you can see by the title and from my big bite of the Big Apple, I'll be talking about American visa. So I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you might have not gotten your American visa and a few reasons or tips on how to better be prepared for getting that approval. My own personal experience is that I've been denied 3 times. 3 times. I've been denied 3 times. One when I was just a primary student, and I thought, what wicked people, how could they not have given me the visa? One when I was in college and I wanted to go on the work and travel program, and another time when I was in university and also just wanted a visitor's visa. I'm going to give you 3 reasons that I was denied the 3 times, right? And then I finally got a 10-year visa later on in life, and I'm going to tell you what I did to get that visa. It's not assured that you will get it if you do this, but it's a pretty good chance that you'll succeed. So one reason you might be struggling to get your American visa is simply because you do not have a solid reason to go to America. So you haven't convinced the embassy that you have a reason to go to America and come back. Probably you apply to say you want to visit a family member, but that family member had ran off in America. And then you go to the embassy and say, I want to visit this family member. Of course, they're going to give you a hard time, especially if you're dependent on this specific family member, or if you're dependent on anyone, as a matter of fact. Second reason could be that you just do not have enough ties in Jamaica. You don't have a job, you don't have a house, you don't have a car. Let me correct that. You may have a job, but the embassy may not consider that job as a job that you would want to return to. So it depends on the type of job you have and how secure that job is. Or you may have a house, but the papers are not in your name. Or you have a car, it's your money that bought the car, but the car is not in your name. To them, it's not your property, and they don't see the reason why you want to come back to Jamaica. Another tie to the country is if you have children. Back in the days, that was considered a tie. Now they know that the grandma will take care of the children or the auntie will take care of the children, so they no longer consider children. So number 2, if you do not have strong ties to Jamaica, they will give you a hard time when you apply for the visa. Number 3 is you apply at the wrong time. In Jamaica, we say bad luck or salt or whatever you call it. But the embassy has a quota. There's a number of visas they can issue per year, and I don't know how they break that up. Could be monthly or quarterly, or I don't know, but it could be that when you apply and when you have your appointment, the quota has been tapped and they cannot issue anymore at the time. You have all the documents that they've asked of you, but you still haven't gotten the visa. It's more than likely that they have maxed their quota. The 3 times I was denied my visa, one time when I was younger, and I think it's because my dad was in America and I was still dependent. I was still underage, so they thought probably I will go and stay with my dad. The second time I was still underage. The 3rd time I applied in the wrong country. So that's kind of a tip. That's a number 4. You could be living in somewhere and you think that's where you have residency, but it's a possibility that the Americans do not want you to apply from there. So I was a student in Trinidad and I assumed I was living there for 3 years. So I assumed that this is the place where I reside. So this is where I should apply for my visa. No. I went to the embassy and clearly they asked me questions. Obviously I got interviewed, but then my letter said, you need to apply in your country. So I know you're waiting to hear how I finally got the visa. So my 4th application was successful. And I know I said previously that the embassy in Trinidad told me I need to go and apply for my visa in Jamaica. Well, I got my successful visa, US visitor's visa, in Switzerland. And I do not have a Swiss passport. I reside here. and I was residing in Trinidad as well, but my visa here was successful. So here's what. At the time, I was a student. So what I did, and I got this tip from a friend. So we attended, or we applied for a conference, like a top conference in the US. So you know, conferences, you can be a speaker at conferences, or you can be a participant. Sometimes you have to pay, especially if the conference is of a certain caliber, you have to pay to attend the conference. So what we did, we applied to attend the conference. So the conference was a sustainability conference. It was the UN Sustainability Development Conference. We applied in that year. It was a free conference. It was free for all participants. So we applied and we were accepted to attend the conference, and with that letter, so when you are accepted to attend a conference, you get a letter from the conference to sponsor your visa. So our visa was sponsored. We both got our visas. She's from Nigeria, I'm from Jamaica, and we both got our visas. We went to the conference. We spent a week in the US. It was amazing. We learned a lot, and that's how you can get your American visitor's visa. Make sure that you have a reason, you have a solid reason to go to America. Don't go tell them you want to visit a family member who had run off some years ago, because that's just room for them to deny you. The process was new to me, and finally I got my 10-year visa. And it's so sad, I've had it now for 2 years and I've used it only that one time. But I know everybody would like a bite of the Big Apple just to experience it even once. So I wish you all the best, and I hope that you will apply for your visa. It will be successful and you will tell me about it. If you have a visa story, I would love to hear it. You can leave it in the comment section. I'm down there interacting and chatting with you guys. But until next time, see you in another video. Bye. To sponsor your visa. So David, please tap in eyes. I'm filming. Bless you.